Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize your Ubuntu desktop or your GNOME desktop using a very simple theming process. And there's a Conky that I designed for the wallpaper, which I designed myself. Anyway, let's first search for a theme. So we are going to use the SKUOS theme, and for that we need to take a color scheme from the wallpaper because it allows us to generate any color theme using the SKUOS. So just search for SKUOS and you will get the results over here. Click on the first link. It should lead you to this page. Just download the master zip from here. That's it. And here you will get how to generate any color theme. So just copy this, open this. Let me just extract it over here. Open this and yeah, open in terminal. Now we need to launch this one, generate color theme.sh. That is what we need. So anyway, you can do one thing. Okay, you can do one thing, just paste that line over here. So the firstly it will not work because it will show us the dependencies that are required for this script to work properly, and that is make Inkscape SASSC and optpng. These are required. Sudo apt install make Inkscape SASSC optpng. I don't know why it is coming like this, but it will be fine. Let's also install Conky because that is what we will need, and GNOME tweaks for applying the themes, and that's all. Press the enter button and it will continue with the installation. Enter Y. 154 MBs of data needs to be downloaded, and it will be installed accordingly. That's all done. Now let's get back here and variant name. So let's give the variant name to be something else, not foobar. It should be perplex. The first color is the highlight hex color, and then we have the highlight text hex color. So search for image to color code, image color picker. Use your own image. Okay, I need to plug in my pen drive. That's it. Great. Browse image, new volume, and let's use the light.png file. Select. So this is the color. From here we are going to take that. For the highlight color, for the highlight hex color, we're going to use this. Get rid of this one. So the first one needs to be replaced, and next is the text color. For the text one, we're going to use this. That's all. Press the enter button and it will do the installation for you. Okay, while it continues with the installation, let's complete the other parts. Let's get the papyrus icons on gnomelook.org, and we're going to download the red version of the theme. So click on download and get the red folders here. Download. Okay, while it is downloading, let's get the Conky. So I have it already on my pen drive. If you want, you can download everything from the description there. Okay, the theme has been installed. Let us go and apply them. Just before we apply, we need to make some changes. Just open the file manager, that is Nautilus in this case, and Control H will open all the hidden folders. Create a new folders .themes, create, and get back to downloads. Inside SKUOS GTK master, you will go to themes. There you have SKUOS perplex themes. Just Control A if you want to get all of them. So it will also include some panel themes and all. So if you don't want all of them, just get the dark and the light version. That should be enough. Get back to home.themes, paste it. That's it, done. Now create .icons for the icons that we need. Yeah, the download is complete. Just open the papyrus icon themes, open the .icons folder, drag and drop them over here. Extracting. Okay. While it does that, let us install the Conky. Here we have the Conky, that is the perplex dark and the perplex light, along with the wallpapers, the dark and the light. Let's get them on the home folder. All of these wallpapers and the Conky are available from the link in my description. Links provided in my description, so you can get them from there. Also, it includes that script which automatically installs and does everything for you. So you can also go and get it from my description. Okay, now let's apply the light wallpaper. This is how it looks. Let it complete with installation. And before we run any one of these, we need to get a font. That is the Monument font. Click on the first link. Okay, try it free. Okay, you can get it from here, or you can do one thing, just get some third-party links that are available. Just below that, get the download link from here also. Now remember that this is a personal font, so you can use it free for personal purposes, but if you want to use it for commercial purposes, you need to get a license. Here we have it. Just open the personal license agreement. Make sure you agree to these terms before you start using it. Anyway, here we have the regular version. Open it and install. That's it. Done. Nothing else required. That is the only dependency required for this Conky. Now right click, open in terminal, Conky config perplexlite.conf perplexlite.conf. Done. This is how the Conky looks. So it is very much themed to go with the current wallpaper. Now finally, let's open the Tweaks application and apply the theme. For applications, we have this QoS Perplex Lite, and for the icons, we need to get Papyrus Lite. Great. Let's open the folders. This is how the folders look. Well, the red version does not go quite well with the red in the background, but I guess we need to settle with this. Or you can also get the, if you go for Papyrus, you can also get the complementary color of red, which is green, and try to make the colors pop out. So that can also be done. But I don't think it looks anyway better than this. So yeah, you can use the generic red folders from here, or a slightly lighter color can also help. For example, the pink ones. Let's try that. Okay, due to some reason I can't download the pink edition. Anyway, let it try to download in the background while we continue with the video. Finally, get a web browser which you can install from the apt version, because Firefox won't help since it is a snap on Ubuntu. So I need to get Chrome for that work. But you can also uninstall Firefox and then install Firefox as an apt package. That can also be done if you want to avoid Chrome. Since I'm using it on my virtual machine, not my virtual machine, I'm using it on a device that, since I'm using the live version of this operating system, so I'm just going for Chrome over here. That is it, done. Let's close this. Okay, I mean the DEB version of this Chrome is installed. So let's open the pink folders. Let's see if they do any help. Control C, home. I guess you need to drag and drop them to the icons, and yeah, replace all. Okay, now we need to wait for the replacement. Okay, while it is replacing, let's complete the next part. Now open the web browser which is installed as DEB and supports extensions. For my case, it is Chrome. There we go. Now, just go for GNOME Shell extensions. Now we'll get this option to install the browser extension. Just click on that and add to Chrome, add extension. Done. Now reload this page. If you get this error, it is very simple to solve. Just close this. Sudo apt install Chrome GNOME Shell. Done. Click on use the themes, turn it on. That's all what we need from here. Okay, the pink colors go much better with the theme than the red, because the red looks, the red is too much red, but I've used a lighter version of red here, so it does not look good. But pink, I guess it looks better. Okay. Now, open tweaks. You can see that it is using the default GNOME shell. You can go to appearance and click on shell. From here, you can activate a different kind of shell as you need. So since it does not include the shell by default inside the theme, we need to get into the themes folder of SKUOS JDK master, and you will get a number of panel themes available here. So just click on that to see the name. For example, full panel theme for GNOME 42. Just copy it, get back to home.themes and paste it over here. Now let us relaunch tweaks, and that should solve the problem. Tweaks, great. Head over to appearance. This is the GNOME shell. As you can see, it's using the colors that whatever we have set. So looks good, looks nice. Okay, let's get rid of this. And for the panel, we need to make some edits. So first open the settings folder, the settings app. Just open this, head over to appearance and decrease the icon size further, and then turn off the panel mode to the dock mode. Should look much better. And if you want, you can position the dock to the bottom or towards the right. But I guess on the left side, it looks okay. Okay, let's close this. Now finally, let us open SKUOS Lite and let's copy GTK4, the folder, to home/.config/GTK4, and we are going to replace this folder. So, okay, there's an option to merge, but there's no option to replace. Control V, and that should solve the problem. Now finally, okay, that does much of the work. So this is how your desktop will look after the theming is done. Now let me just show you the dark version of this theme. So it is very simple. First of all, let us change the wallpaper. So open the Files app or Nautilus. Okay, we have already opened it. Let's apply the dark version. Set as wallpaper. Now, open in terminal, and we already have a terminal open. Let us run the dark version of the Conky. That's it. Cool. Finally, let us apply the dark version of the theme. Open tweaks, appearance, papyrus, dark for the icons, and for the theme, SKUOS Perplex dark. So this is how the dark edition of the theme will look. Also, don't forget to change this. So Control H, head over to .themes and open SKUOS Perplex dark, GTK4. Just copy all of these into home/.config/GTK4. That's all. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.